Here is an illustration that I used to admire a lot as a child. It is Rudolf Koivu's illustration for Hans Christian Andersen's Little Mermaid. And Rudolf Koivu was one of the first Finnish famous illustrators, and now in Finland, when you are a big illustrator and you do a good job, you can win a Rudolf Koivu award. It is the Finnish national award for illustrators. Koivu illustrated this in the 1930s. When he started his illustration career, fairy tales, the illustrations in Finnish books, were printed in color. And Koivu made this very ethereal illustration. He really enjoyed ballet, and his female characters look like ballerinas very often. His male characters look like ballet dancers. Because he had such bright, vibrant color palette, his illustrations became very popular. And he made lots of different illustrations about mermaids and water spirits and these fairy tales, Finnish fairy tales that had these elements from the folklore. The fairy tale Little Mermaid, it was translated into Finnish in 1848. It became very popular, but when Koivu made his illustrations, it became even more popular. But that is also when we first started to get these mermaids with tails. Before that, they weren't so common.